everyone and welcome to TaiyangNews. I am Anupam Bani, the senior editor at TaiyangNews, and today we are at REI Expo India in Greater Noida, and I'm at the booth of Citizen Solar, and we are joined by Sunayan Borah, the general manager of Citizen Solar, and let's see what they have, what new they have at REI this time. So welcome to TaiyangNews.
Thank you very much.
So can you please tell us a little bit about your company?
We are a citizen group of companies. We are completed 31 years in the industry, different diverse industries. We are into solar for more than a decade. We are manufacturers of solar PV modules from motor perk to TOPCon to TOPCon for 640 watt peak of. This is a new model that we started around 630 plus watt peak of. So this is the new series that we have started. And we have a production capacity of 1.2 gigawatt at the moment, and we've got the new machine lined up, and by January 2026 will be 2.6 gigawatt of it. We've been supplying modules all across the world, especially India, too many of them. We are ALMM approved. We are certified for all government agencies, and we hope to serve. We are at this REI exhibition for promoting ourselves, just branding ourselves, and we've also got our new brand ambassador as Mr. Pratik Gandhi, who's famous and who resembles what we do for the common people. And renewable industry per se is basically we try to serve the Mother Earth, make it more greener, more adaptable to people. And we hope, we are doing something for the climate as well. And we are also very grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, who's been very, very active in promoting renewable industry. And all government agencies are actively involved with us. We've been marketing all over Gujarat-based company, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Assam, everywhere. From east to west, north to south, everywhere our modules are used. And we are quality conscious, and we are also giving quite a lot of emphasis on after-sales tool. So we've got one of the best quality standards maintained at our factory. All checks are with due diligence that has been done, and we hope to carry forward this venture of ours in the long run. Thank you very much.